All right. So we all want more money. I mean, who doesn't want more money in their business and who doesn't want their business to be totally successful? Hi, you guys. Caitlin Strempel here from Rising Ranks Digital, and today I'm going to be talking about 4 ways to increase your bottom line. Make that money, get successful, and bring in the cash. So, number one, we're going to just jump right into it. Number one is increasing the number of your customers. Number two is increasing the number of times that your customers purchase from you. So not getting more customers, but creating more repeat customers. A little bit of a difference there. Number three, increase your price. And number four, decrease your costs. Now, I want to first talk about number two because it is the most forgotten one, and that is to get out there and create repeat customers. Now, I recently worked with 2 clients, and this is one thing that we focused on. They were neglecting their current database, their current customers, and just by giving them some love and letting them know that they're still there and talking to them and communicating with them, one client made an extra 40,000 a month and another client made an extra 150,000. 6 figures just by going back to their current customers and letting them know that they had a new product. Number two only works if A, you already have a customer base, and two, you are creating a great experience for them or you have a good product. So that is the basis of everything. So it doesn't matter how many promotions you give them, how big of a promotion or discount you give them. If you are not delivering on quality service that they expect or quality products that they want, they're not going to come back. So if you are actually actively out there, really trying to implement number two and it's not working for you, you really need to take a step back and see where the disconnect is and how you can better serve your customers so they will buy again from you. All right. So there are a few ways that you can do this. You can just send them emails, let them know, hey, we're still here. We have this new product for you. Or, we have this new service. We have this new whatever that is launching. We want you to be the first to know. And hey, here's a great discount code because we love you and we want your business. It works like a charm. If you are in the product space, another way you can do this is by follow up via email with another discount code to get them to purchase a second time, or actually physically put it in the box. Physically putting in the box was that one tactic that got my client to an extra $150,000 a month. So totally worth it, you guys. All right, just going through my notes, seeing if I missed anything for this. All right, if you do not have a current client base, then you need to start focusing on number one, which is increasing the number of customers. And there are 2 ways to do this. So there's a fast way and a slow and steady way. So you are either you're really going to be sacrificing or I shouldn't even say sacrificing, investing. You're either going to be investing your money or investing your time. There's no wrong or right way to do this. It is totally up to you. So if you are not ready to invest money, but ready to invest your time, you need to go the organic route. So that can be SEO. That can be YouTube videos or Facebook Lives, or it can be getting out and networking. It can be writing articles for publication. So just getting your name out there, and so people can understand who you are. They actually see you, they know you're out there, and they understand what you're providing for them. All right. The other option is to go any paid route. So paid route is, of course, going to be more money, but you are going to get the results right away. Organically, it's going to be more time up front, and it will take a little bit longer to get those leads coming. They are both very great investments, and if you can, really focus on both of them. But for paid, that includes paid Google ads, paid social ads, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, anything where you actually pay money for traffic to your website. All right. So then we have the last two, increase your price, which, of course is pretty self-explanatory, and decrease your costs. So whether that is maybe you're decreasing overhead, or it can be cost of goods sold. So especially if you have a physical product, how can you bring the cost of actually developing that product down without sacrificing quality? Or if it's a service, how can you streamline and automate your programs and your output so you are putting in less time, but you're getting better results? All right, you guys, if you found this helpful, comment below, share the video, leave me some love, and I will be back with some more tips, you guys. All right, have a great day.